Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to record screen on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top right of your smartphone and open the control center. Now from here, just tap on screen recorder. Now if you cannot find this icon on your control center, just swipe down from the top right of your smartphone and open the control center. Now just tap on edit. Now from here, just tap on edit. Now from here, just drag the screen recorder icon to the control center, just like that. Now once you do that, just tap on done. From here, just tap on done one more time. Now once you have added the screen recorder icon to your control center, just tap on screen recorder. Now from here, just select which sound to record while you're screen recording. You can select media and it will record the sound of the media while you're screen recording, or you can select media and mic and it will start recording the sound of the media on your smartphone, and it will also record your sound from the microphones on your smartphone while you're screen recording. Now if you select none, it will not record any sound in your screen recordings. I will select media. Now from here, if you enable this toggle, you can enable show taps and touches on the screen while you're screen recording. Now once you have done that, just tap on start recording. Now as you can see, our smartphone has started screen recording. Just like that. Now if you tap on this pencil icon, you can mark anything on the screen. Just like that. And if you tap on this person icon over here, it will start recording from the selfie camera on your smartphone, just like that. Now once you have done screen recording, you can find your screen recordings in your gallery app. Just open the gallery app on your smartphone, and as you can see, this is the screen recording we have just done, just like that. And this is how you can record screen on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.